Hey, welcome everyone to an unboxing of the Soundcore 45 noise cancelling headphones. Now, this is very embarrassing. I think in all of my years of doing YouTube, this is the second time this ever happened to me where I forgot to press record on this unboxing video. So as you can see, I kind of got partway through until I realized like my camera fell asleep into power saving mode because it wasn't recording. So pretty embarrassing. So full transparency there. I'm gonna kind of repackage things together. I got as far as taking off the actual plastic seal of the box and unpackaging the documentation you see before you. So I haven't got to the headphones yet. So let's kind of repackage everything and kind of do a bootleg unboxing. Again, very embarrassing, but let's resume. Okay, so reenacting from here on out the Soundcore Space Q45 noise cancelling headphones unboxing with adaptive ANC. And the box itself lists some battery capabilities, how many units are sold of Soundcore in total, not just this model. And it states that it has like targeted noise cancelling and other features on the back of the box. So very feature rich in terms of what is listed on the box. And there's the plastic seal that I would have cut through, which I already did, but the camera wasn't recording, unfortunately. So there's the case, and here's the packaging for the, this is the documentation that's no longer in packaging. It had its own little packet seal that I ripped it out of before I realized the camera wasn't recording. So going over the documentation, it's very lengthy. I'm not sure why it's this big. I think they're making it more confusing than it needs to be. Most headphone manufacturers, what they do is just tell you how to quickly pair it to a smartphone, and they have a digital guide. They don't waste paper like this. So I don't think it should be too intimidating to get used to these. But yeah, documentation for safety and warranty information, so nothing important there. And as for the case itself, this is a hard Traveler'S case, so very nice to see. So you'll protect your investment when you're traveling with it. In terms of cables, you have a 3.5mm auxiliary cable as well as a USB-A to USB-C cable. Unfortunately, it's not pure USB-C, but you have to just live with it. Let's see what else we have in here. So I think this plastic thing is not really necessary. It's just more to keep it secure and together. And here are the headphones themselves. The ear cups look rather large on the outside, just very rounded. Nothing wrong with that, at least at first glance. I'll have to check out in the review what it looks like in the mirror on myself. But yeah, be sure to check out the review video, and a link to that will be in the video description, as well as links to my social links on website link also in the video description. And thanks for watching.